What are you doing? So basically, you just came in here and you took all the grass out the tree, knocked the tree over, and well, now you're trying to get out of the forest? Oh, you're gonna pick the tree? You're gonna pick the tree up? Okay. You're gonna move the tree out the way? Oh, you still pulling tree up? Okay. Ava, I think you've done enough. Come on. Even more? You don't think you've done enough? That's enough. Hey, hey. Mommy's talking to you. That's enough. Here. There. That's enough. Don't you think you've done enough? Look, it's all on the floor. Leave it alone. No. So now you have it all over everywhere. Come here. Ava, come here. Mommy's talking to you. What did I say? Come here. Oh, you just really ignore me now. Now you're gonna turn. Oh, you're gonna put it back in for me? You gonna clean up for mommy? Thank you. Yeah, thank you. You can help mama. Oh. Oh, that was the clean up? Okay. Thank you. So now you have everything all over everywhere. So now you're gonna come get some entertainment. Okay. So let me see. This is grass in the hair, grass on the clothes, grass all over.